Hello everyone, I welcome you all to yet another discussion session of the CAT 2023, and in today's class we will be taking up the slot 3 of CAT 2023 paper. So let's get started with the questions. Let's look at this. A quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two real roots. Let's suppose the roots are alpha and beta. If the difference between the reciprocal of the roots is 1 by 3. So difference would be, suppose 1 by alpha is the bigger value minus 1 by beta, this is 1 by 3. Difference between the reciprocal of the roots is 1 by 3. And sum of the reciprocal of the squares of the roots. So sum of the reciprocal of the squares of roots. So sum of the reciprocal of the squares of the roots is 5 by 9. Then the largest possible value of b plus c is how much? Now, by the way, if you look at this quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the roots we have assumed to be alpha and beta. Now here, what will be sum of the roots? So sum of the roots is going to be minus b. And what about product of the roots? It's going to be c by 1, which is c. So sum of the roots is minus b by a, product of the roots is c by a, that's the formula. So based on that we'll get this. And now he's asking us the value of b plus c. How much is it? What is the maximum value, largest possible value for b plus c? Now can I say b is nothing but minus of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So that means we basically have to calculate this expression. Now where will I get the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta from? So probably from here. So let's start thinking on those lines. So how do I find out alpha beta and how do we find out alpha plus beta? Let's try to do that. So this equation 1, equation 2 suppose. Now let us square equation 1. So when you square equation 1, what do we get? Equation 1 square would give us what? A minus b the whole square will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. That will be equal to 1 by 9. And we know from equation 2, 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square is nothing but 5 by 9. Let's substitute that. So 2 by alpha beta taken on the other side will be 5 by 9 minus 1 by 9, which is 4 by 9. So that means the value of alpha beta, we'll get it as 9 upon 2. So we got part of our answer. It is 9 by 2. We need to worry about the other part now, right? So alpha beta is known. Now how can we think of getting alpha plus beta here? Let's try to do that. So here can we write alpha square, when you simplify the second equation, alpha square plus beta square by alpha square beta square will be equal to 5 by 9, right? We know alpha beta, so we can also know alpha beta whole square, that will be nothing but, so alpha square plus beta square will be nothing but 5 by 9 into alpha square beta square, which happens to be 9 by 2 whole square. 9 will cancel out, 9 into 5 is 45, 45 by 4 is what will be left. So alpha square plus beta square is 45 by 4, let us add 2 alpha beta on both sides. 2 alpha beta, and we know 2 alpha beta will be nothing but 9. So this is nothing but 9. And here alpha plus beta whole square will be equal to, left hand side is alpha plus beta whole square, that will be equal to 4 into 9 is 36, 36 and 45 is 81, 81 by 4, and when you take alpha plus beta value, that is going to be either plus square root of 81 by 4 or minus square root of 81 by 4, which is 9 by 2 or minus 9. So alpha plus beta can be 9 by 2 also or minus 9 by 2 also. So that means this can have two values. Now he is asking us largest possible value of b plus c. So can I say for that I need to pick a value of alpha plus beta such that the sum becomes maximum. So what value will suit here? Alpha plus beta equal to minus 9 by 2 will be a better value, because minus of minus will make it plus 9 by 2 plus again 9 by 2, 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 will make it 18 by 2, 9. So my answer for this question has to be 9, we'll say. I hope we are clear with the working here. So this was heavy algebra based question, right? You need to know the formulae pertaining to quadratic equation, and then you must also be comfortable with such simplifications.